Hello students, today I am going to teach you Python programming and I have saved few Python programming and I will show you what are the execution process. So you can see this is the ideally prompt. I will try to open it and you can see I have the saved file. First of all, if you want to import pandas, then you need to create a new file. And here you need to write import pandas pd and we'll run it. Source must be saved, so I'm getting the file, so we'll save it. I need to give some name. pa1 I have given, so the name invalid syntax, I need to write the correct one. So again I will open. Suppose this is the file just now I have made, display pandas. Here this is the program to count the total number of uppercase, lowercase, vowels and consonant in a file. So you can see define, you can see the program def keyword is there, def count character. This program is about write a program to find, count the number of character, count the number of uppercase, lowercase, count the number of vowels and consonant in a particular kind of letter. So I have started this program as diff keyword, def count character, try catch block is there to catch the exception. Now whenever you are trying to make some changes in a binary file, you need to open the file. So first of all we need to open the file in the read mode. So with open, we'll open the file in read mode. This is with open list1.txt read mode. List1.txt, I have already made a file list1, so I'm trying to open it as a file. Now initialize counters. First of all you need to initialize the value of every whatever you want to find, like vowels to 0, consonant to 0, uppercase to 0 and lowercase to 0, because we need to find out these values, so these will be 0 initially. Read the file character by character. Now we need to read the character. We'll read it, then only we'll find no how many characters are vowel, how many characters are consonant. So we'll read the character line by line. For line in file, for char in line, for line in file means how many lines are there in the file. For char in line, now how many character are there in the line. And if char is alpha, if char is alphabet, then if char in a e i o u capital, small, and what are these are the vowels. So vowels plus equals to 1, vowels plus equals to 1 means this is the operator. So vowels equals to vowel plus 1. If you will this, what it will do, it will count a vowel. If it will get any vowel like a, e, i, o, u, it will get a, then plus equals to 1 another, it will go to e, then it will go to I, then it will go to o, and then u, and it will go to a, e, i, o, u in the smaller case, and it will print the number of vowels and characters, and uppercase and lowercase also. So these will come inside uppercase and lowercase also. Now else if vowels will not be there, then there will be consonant. So consonant plus equals to 1. Check if the character is uppercase and lowercase. If char dot is upper, method sign colon. Here we are not using semicolon, we are using colon. This you need to remember that in Python we are using same colon instead of semicolon. If whatever character we are getting in a line is uppercase, then we'll print uppercase plus equals to 1 means we'll get 1. We'll print one uppercase character, then we'll print another, then another. If char dot is lower, if char will be in lowercase, then we'll print lowercase character, and then here the display of the result, print f vowels, and consonant uppercase. This is the way we need to write. Print bracket open f double quotes vowels colon middle bracket vowels middle bracket double quotes close. Except we'll write file not found error and print the file list1.txt not found. So this is a program if you want to find out the number of uppercase, lowercase, and the number of vowels and consonant in a particular kind of character. So first of all, you need to uh, make a file and you need to open it, because we are creating in a binary file. Binary file का rule ये होता है कि first of all you need to open that file, then you need to make some changes. Now I will show you this. You need to write import pandas pd. When we'll write import pandas invalid syntax, I have written somewhere else also. You can see this kind of error you will get. Module pandas has no attribute series. I have created a series and it I got a message that it doesn't have a attribute series, so I need to declare it. Again I will open it, file, path browser. When I'll open the path browser, then I'll get where I have saved the file. This is the path browser. Inside C, inside user, inside summer, app data, local programs, Python 3.12, there is a file python 3.12.zip. Now again I will open another file, open file, and display consonant factorial. We will see factorial. Here num was not declared, so we need to declare the num. This num we need to declare, then only this program will execute. So this is a program to find out factorial. Suppose what is factorial? If I will, the input will be 5, then the factorial will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then I will open another program, open, and then I will open largest biggest. I will open this program to find out which one is large, which one is small. Program to find second largest number of the list. So we will use eval. For this is list, eval list equals to eval bracket open input bracket open double quotes enter list, then double closing for this and this. Length equal to length list, means it will find out the length of this. Biggest equals to second biggest equals to minus first 0. If I in range 1 comma length, if whatever value we are searching will be there in the first list, then it will first print the list and then it will find out whether it is the biggest one. Here we can see the concept of swapping. As we were doing swapping in C sharp, C++, we were comparing A equals to B and B equals to C and C equals to A. Then indirectly we were putting A equals to C. So if list I greater than biggest, then second biggest equals to biggest, means, and biggest equals to list 1. Biggest will be list 1 and we'll compare this with this. If list I is greater than second biggest, then second biggest equals to list I, and we'll print whatever will be the, we are comparing basically two lists, list 1 and list 2. Which one is the biggest? If I'll try to execute, there will be some error. Always there will be indentation error. So I'll open another program, series. So this is series I have made. What is a series? Series is a data structure in Python. You know what is data structure? Data structure, collection of files. We were studying no array and linked list, that if we have to store the same kind of data type, then we have the concept of array where we were storing the data as index number with index number, and linked list which was dynamic where we can change the data anytime during the execution or runtime. So series is a data structure in Python pandas, and series is used for one dimensional values arrays and data frame. There is another concept, data frame is used for two dimensional data frame. So we need to write import pandas as pd s1, that is series 1 equals to pd dot series 4688 print series object 1 print s1. Now if I will execute it, I will get that series word is not there. See, attribute error, module panda has no attribute as series, so I need to implement it series. This is the one thing that you need to import. Open module, you need to open, suppose you need to import all the module whatever you want to use, import all the libraries before using the programming. Suppose in Java we were using import java.io.asterisk, import java.math.asterisk, we were writing that and we were be able to write the program. But here you need to import all the module priorly. Error, import, import math module, import math module. If we'll try to open, then, and one more thing, you need to remember the name of the module very clearly. If you will not remember, then always you will get a error. I have somewhere saved pandas, suppose this one, import pandas as pd. So here you can see restart. Now my pandas are imported where? Inside C drive, inside user, summer folder, app data, local program, Python 3.12, pandas.py. Now my Python pandas py is implemented. So what is pandas? Pandas is a data structure where we are using the series and data frame. Series and data frames are part of pandas, which are used to implement one dimensional and two dimensional data structure. So I hope you have understood a little bit whatever I have tried to make you understood. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Please go and please watch my videos and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.